Continue the example on correlation. Find the coefficient of correlation for the following table. And table is given values of xi, yi. So how to find coefficient of correlation? As we know, solution here, we have coefficient of correlation r of xy equal to coefficient of variation of xy upon sigma x sigma y, or you can use here r of uv equal to COV, means coefficient of variation of uv upon sigma u sigma v. So what is the coefficient of correlation? So here you can use either xy or uv. So in this case I will use only x and y. So how? So here I will use this formula. So for this formula, what I need here coefficient of variation of xy. What is that formula? That is equal to 1 by n. N may be small or capital. Summation of xi yi minus x bar y bar. Note that this n or 1 by n with this summation of xi yi. What is the sigma x square? That is equal to 1 by n summation of xi square minus x bar square, and sigma of y whole square equal to 1 by n summation of yi minus y bar whole square. So here also this square. So one by one. So what we need in the table? I need x, then y, then xi square, then yi square, and xi yi multiplication. So consider that table now. So given values are xi and yi. We have to find xi square, yi square, also xi yi. How many values are there? So n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n equal to 6 there. So here n means total, that is equal to 6. So make this table, obtain this table. So values of xi 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30, yi 18, 12, 24, 6, 30 and 36. So xi square. So I am getting 10 square 100, 14 square 196, 18 square 324 by calculator. So 22 square, that is 484, 26 square 676, so 30 square 900. Now y square 18 square, that is 324, 12 square it is a 144, 24 square 576, 6 square 36, 30 square 900, 36 square, it is a 1296. Now product of x and y. So xi yi. So it is a 180, 14 into 12, 168, 18 into 24, 432, 22 into 6, 132, 26 into 30, 780, 30 into 36, it is a 1080. So what we need? Xi. What is the summation of all? So summation of xi, that is equal to, it is a 120. Summation of yi, it is equal to 126. Summation of xi square, summation of yi square equal to 3276, and last summation of xi yi 2772. So here is the table. Now by this tabular values you find first x bar and y bar. So what is x bar? it is the summation of xi divided by n. So summation of xi is 120 divided by 6 means that is equal to 20, and y bar equal to summation of yi divided by n. So that is equal to 126 by 6 and that is equal to 21. Now coefficient of variation of xy, it is equal to, what is the formula here? 1 by n summation of xi yi minus x bar y bar. So summation of xi yi divided by n, so 2772 divided by 6 minus x bar into y bar. So by calculator find this value. This value is equal to 42. Now sigma x square, that is equal to 1 by n. So what is the formula there? 1 by n summation of xi square. So summation of xi square 2680 by n minus x bar square. So that is equal to 46.6666 means 67. So what is the under root of that answer? Therefore sigma x equal to 6.83. Similarly sigma y square, summation of yi square 3276 divided by n minus y bar square, that is equal to 105. Take the square root of this, so I am getting sigma y equal to 10.2469. 10.246 means 25. And therefore I can find coefficient of correlation, that is the r of xy equal to coefficient of variation of xy, it is a 42 upon sigma x sigma y. What is sigma x? It is a 6.83 into 10.25. So by calculator find this value. Note that value of r in between always minus 1 to 1. So I am getting 0.5999. So actually value of xy means coefficient of correlation, that is equal to 0.6, which is your final or required answer, coefficient of correlation. Now consider the examples on line of regression. The equation of two regression lines obtained in a correlation analysis are 4x minus 5y plus 33 equal to 0 and 20x minus 9y minus 107 equal to 0. If the variance of y is 16, then find the mean values of x and y, the correlation coefficient between x and y, and the variance of x. So how to find it? So here solution. What are the given things? So given is what? Two regression lines. Here lines are 4x minus 5y plus 33 equal to 0 and 20x minus 9y minus 107 equal to 0. Also one more thing is given, variance of y. So we know variance means what? Variance of y means it is the sigma y square and that is equal to 16, and therefore definitely if we require sigma y standard deviation, it is nothing but with respect to y is 4. Now we want to find mean values of x and y. It means that x bar y bar. Note that if these are the lines of regression, so definitely every points on that line satisfy this equation. So mean value of x and y definitely on the same value. Therefore this x bar y bar will satisfy these two regression lines. So I will denote this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So for the first, since mean values of x and y, that is x bar y bar, satisfies two regression lines. Means regression line 1 and 2. So it gives 4x bar minus 5y bar equal to minus 33, and second 20x bar minus 9y bar equal to 107. So solve this and find the values of x bar, y bar. So I am getting here, you can solve by calculator also directly. So I am getting values of x bar, y bar are, so x bar value equal to 13 and y bar is 17. So mean values of x and y, which are x bar equal to 13 and y bar equal to 17. Now second, what we want to find, the correlation coefficient, that is the R. So what is it? So note that here, as we know the coefficient of correlation, what is that is R. So by the given line, since regression lines, what are the formulas? So y on x, that is nothing but the y minus y bar equal to R sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar equal to b of yx equal to b of yx into x minus x bar, and x on y, that is the x minus x bar equal to R sigma x by sigma y minus y bar, that is equal to b of xy y minus y bar. So these are the regression lines. So if we solve this equation, so what we get, whatever the coefficient of x is nothing but b of yx, and coefficient of y is nothing but a b of xy. So note this case. So first you find y on x and x on y. So normally we required r equal to, that is if we compare these two, so automatically we'll get here. So definitely we'll get r square equal to b of xy into b of yx. And this value I need, it is in between minus 1 to 1. So you just make a judgment of these two lines such that I should get r in between minus 1 to 1, and that is why here in this case, which is the coefficient of x is a 4 and coefficient of y is a minus 4. So without sign, 4 and 5, and in this case it is a 20 and 9. So if we see the difference between this, it is a big. So that is why here you divide throughout by 20 and you consider it is a line of regression x on y. Since 4x minus 5y plus 33 equal to 0 and 20x minus 9y minus 107 equal to 0, these are the given regression lines. So by observation we got that y on x is nothing but 4x minus 5y plus 33 equal to 0. So in this case you find it is a y on x, it means that 5y value first, and it is equal to 4x plus 33. So divide by 5, so I am getting it is a 4 by 5 x plus 33 by 5. So what this implies? So I am getting y equal to 0.8x plus 6.6. Now x on y, it is a 20x minus 9y minus 107 equal to 0. So x on y, so find the value of x here. So I am getting 20x equal to 9y plus 107. Now divide throughout by 20. So I am getting x equal to 9 by 20y plus 107 by 20. So actually I am getting x equal to 0.45 y plus 5.35. So in y on x, in the line, regression line, y on x, you can see here, y on x. So byx is nothing but a coefficient of x. Similarly, in x on y, the coefficient of y is nothing but bxy. So I am getting here. So here this line is y on x. That is why b of yx equal to 0.8. And this line is x on y. That is why b of xy equal to 0.45. So I am getting r equal to under root of bxy into byx. So put the values here and find the value of r. So what is the bxy? It is the 0.45 into byx, it is the 0.8. So what is value of r here? It is a 0.6. So this is value of r. See there, roughly you can check why I am taking this is y on x and x on y. So roughly I will explain you why I am taking this is a y on x. Instead of that, suppose I am taking here x on y. So what happened? So I will get here 4x equal to 5y minus 33 divided by 4. So 5 divided by 4 I am getting, it is nothing but b of yx. So it is a 1 point something. And similarly, second, if we consider here, it is a y on x. So I am getting here y on x means what is a 9y, that is equal to 20x minus 107 and y equal to 20 by 9, and it is again a 1 point something. If supposed to be this product and this product is more than 1, so definitely r will be more than 1, which is not possible because value of r is always in between minus 1 to 1. So note this thing. So finally we want the variance of x means sigma. So if we compare these two, this and this one, or this on this one, so I can consider r sigma y sigma x equal to b of yx. So here third thing I am getting now, since r sigma y sigma x equal to b of yx, or you can use b of xy also. So put the values. So r equal to 0.6, sigma y. What is the value of sigma y? Sigma y equal to 4. And sigma x we want to find. And b of yx, it is nothing but 0.8. So this implies that sigma x equal to 0.6 into 4 divided by 0.8. So what is the sigma x? It is the 3. So we want variance of x. That is nothing but sigma x square, and it is equal to 9. So which is your required answer. So note these things. So such type of examples. In the next video, we will consider more examples on regression lines and correlation coefficient.